Okay, this is, excuse me, video 1 for biology. In this video, I'm explaining the cell cycle. So basically, I'm going to draw this here. This is going to represent a cycle. So you have one complete cycle here. It goes all the way around. This is the life cycle of a cell, basically. A cell spends a majority of its time in what's called interphase. So this here is interphase. This is where the cell grows. This is where the cell develops organelles. It's where the cell just exceeds in being a cell. But interphase is divided into 3 parts. This isn't a very accurate representation of what it looks like, but there's the G1, the S phase, and the G2 phase. And then after interphase is mitosis. But I'm going to talk about that in the next one. So in G1 phase, it's known as the growth or gap phase. This is the main phase where organelles and proteins and the little parts of the cell are developed. But it then moves into a phase called S phase, where the DNA, deoxyribonucleic acid, that exists within the nucleus starts to replicate and turns from 23 chromatids into 46 chromosomal pairs called a diploid. Now out of S phase, we move into G2 phase, or the second growth phase. This is a preparation for mitosis. This is where the cell starts to develop microtubules. And it's where the cell prepares for the next, I want to say 5 phases in its life that exist as maybe 95 to 98% of its lifespan. And that's the cell cycle.